No, most food truck owners don't fail because their food is bad. They actually fail because they price their food wrong and they don't even realize it. They end up guessing at prices, copy competitors, they stay busy, but somehow the money never stacks up. So today, I'm actually going to show you an AI prompt. That's right, AI to instantly price your menu for profit. Now, whether you run a food truck or even a catering business, this video is going to be very informative to help you price your food profitably on every single item that you sell. Because you know what? Here's the real issue. Most food businesses price based on the following: what others are charging, what feels reasonable, or even worse, they just round up the numbers. But pricing should be based on these items: food costs, your labor reality, speed of service, the volume of your business, and profit per hour, not just profit per item. Now, this is where AI becomes insanely powerful. Let me show you this prompt. All right, so here is the prompt that I created from AI that allows you to price accurately your food truck and or your catering item. Now, check this out. So I need you to act as a food truck financial analyst. Break down the true cost of this menu item, including ingredients, packaging, prep time, labor, waste, and overhead. Then tell me the minimum price I must charge to hit a 70% gross margin. Now, this is where you can fill in the blank. Example. Selling environment. Okay, so this is going to be a food truck for this one, and then we'll do one for catering. Average servings per hour. So we're going to do 25. Let's say we're doing 25 burgers per hour. Check out this response. Now, this is great because AI will literally analyze this and give you different scenarios on pricing to show you exactly the best thing that you can do. All right, so in a matter of seconds, there you have it. Let me go over this really quick and show you some of the assumptions that it has created. These are different scenarios to help you truly price for profit. So it says, got it. I'll treat this exactly like a food truck, a profit and loss breakdown, not a restaurant fantasy number. By the way, that's really important too, but that's a whole nother video. Restaurants and food trucks are not the same. Pricing them is going to ruin your business if you try. So on this one, the assumptions. Great. So very typical food truck setup. You have a burger style. You have includes a bun, cheese, lettuce, etc. And they're going to do 25 burgers per hour with no sides included. So this will give you a good idea of where you should be. Now, of course, some of these prices will be a lot cheaper maybe in your area based on where you're purchasing your ingredients from. And then, of course, in some areas, it might be slightly higher. But this is a great way to figure out the happy medium price. So ground beef, you're looking at about $1.42. The bun, the cheese, all of this equates to about a $2.85 cost. Then your packaging. If you're doing a burger wrap with paper, clamshell tray, etc., or even napkin, of course, you've got 55 cents on average. And then your labor cost per burger breaks it down even based upon the actual amount of time it takes on average to cook a burger, which is amazing. You have to understand, don't be afraid of AI in utilizing it to maximize profits for your food business. I'm going to have a slew of videos here on YouTube that are going to show you every single food business on the planet. You can really become more profitable if you know how to prompt AI to do this. I've been working on AI for almost 3 years now, so I have a ton of great information and experience prompting this for my own food business. Now, labor costs too, again, like I said, the count of time, so around 72 cents on average for that specific labor cost per burger. Now, prep labor allocation and waste and shrink, which is, of course, very real. I have that as my own food business. Overcooked patties, you're going to have maybe some drop buns. You're going to have that as thrown out. You're going to lose that as waste. End of the day, leftovers, etc. So conservatively, let's say the waste factor is around 7%. It even factors that in to give you an idea. So your cost to go into it as well is 24 cents per burger. So scroll down a little bit more. Your overhead allocation, this would be commissary rent, truck, etc., based again upon that very realistic overhead of about $1,200 a week or so, and that factors into the cost of the burger. So your true total cost, based on this example, it gives you around $6.22 per burger. Now, you want to get a 70% gross margin, then that burger with whatever else you want to top on that, it's going to put you at around $20 a burger. Now, this could potentially be a lot less, of course, depending upon the toppings, or you can actually add those toppings into this, reduce this slightly, and you're going to give you a little bit less. Now, 70% gross margin is pretty high. So let's do this. Let's assume you want to be at 50%, let's say. And this will literally tally up the information again and give you an exact price point where you want to be at that specific margin. So if 70% is where maybe you're maybe that's a little too high, Damien's always going to pay $20 for a burger. Maybe you're in an area where you think you may not be able to get that much. You can put in a percentage, as I scroll down here, of whatever you want, and it will literally give you that exact number. Going through the costs again, it's going to put you at about a 50% margin of $12.50 per burger. So this is a great way to figure out your menu pricing using AI,